energy squat. So here are all the ingredients here on the counter. So this is about a pound of lean ground turkey. This bowl I have a diced onion. And then here I have one red and green bell pepper. Now I'm not going to use all of these vegetables. I probably use like a quarter cup of each one. I have some of this extra virgin Mediterranean olive oil. I have some sandwich sauce. Then I'm going to season it with this Creole seasoning. And then I'm going to actually cook them inside these croissants. This is the sweet Hawaiian. Okay, so I'm going to be trying this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get right into this cooking part now.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be by
Alright, G Squad, so I removed the croissants from the oven, and this is how they came out. And so I allowed them to cook for 10 minutes on 350 degrees on my oven. Each oven may vary, but for mine, as I said, it was 10 minutes on 350 degrees. And as you can see, I did also an additional shape. You know, I used one wrap instead, and then I just, you know, wrapped it like that. And then also I cut inside of it so you can see. This is how the inside looks. You know, it has that sweet and savory taste because of the sweet Hawaiian rolls along with the sauce. And so it gives you like a sweet and savory, and then this is how it looks. This is the back. But yeah, so we put it back under here. But yeah, so that's it. So again, I, you know, present you my Sloppy Joe croissants, and if you have enjoyed this video, please, you know, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, comment below, and if you try this recipe, you know, let me know how it came out, how you liked it. It was a lot of fun. And yeah, so family, on that note, you be well, stay blessed and positive. Love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Oh, and thank you once again for your time. You could have been doing anything else, and you chose to check in and see what your girl is cooking up today, and I appreciate it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, G Squad. Apologize about the dog out there barking, but anyway, I just wanted to pop back in and add this little clip. So if you do this recipe and you use the croissants, go with the plain croissants, because after a while, like I ate one of them, and then after a while, it's like, it tastes okay in the beginning, but then after a while, the sweetness from the Hawaiian roll is kind of overpowering. So I just wanted to, you know, be honest, and like I said, pop back in and just let you know, I would hate for you to try this dish and then you discover, like, wow, these rolls are, you know, really sweet. And so I think that particular roll is good, maybe for, like, if you do like a you know, a dessert, you know, something like that, and maybe using it. But for this particular dish, it, like I said, the sweetness is kind of overpowering. Okay, so I just wanted to just, you know, pop in and let y'all know. Okay, bye.